Do you have uncontrollable sneezing? Does it sound like this? Are you tired of people thinking you're cursing when you're not?
Hey, watch your mouth!
Well, that sucks. There is not much information on this sickness. Scientists say it's an agitating temporary sickness.
Expulsion of air. We can't be certain on how this disease works. However, the noise is certainly annoying.
Is there a cure? Where did this come from?
Certainly there is no cure. This sickness can be fought off in a matter of days, and we are not sure of the original origin of this sickness.
Oh, how is it caught?
Wow, you ask a lot of questions. It's caught just like your average everyday cold, and the symptoms are excessive censored sneezing.
Thank you for your time. Next, we have someone affected by this illness. Her name is JJ.
Hi.
Hi. Welcome to the show. So, when did you know you had this illness?
Obviously, when I started to sneeze.
Well.
How else would I have known? I'm not a psychic. Seriously.
Well, that was nice. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Am I in the way?
You don't work, stick a pencil up your nose. JJ.
On this much, all the girls stomp your feet like this. Few times you've been around that track, so it's not just
I think I got it. You know, I was just, dating Ronald Reagan.
Ronald Reagan?
Oh. It's your turn to go.
Between
We're starting from where you messed up. Do it.
What?
Pretend to sneeze.
Oh my. Just kill me with the boom mic.
Is it still recording?
Yeah.
Scene?
Yeah.
Nope.
Yep.
Nope.
Yep.
Nope.
Your turn to sneeze. Alright, now we're done.